That's the line. I don't want to see you crossing it before we start, big guy. No cheating.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one, I don't.
Hello, Sur Ron here with Electro BAC from Electro and Co. We're standing in front of two very powerful e-motos, and we're going to put them head to head today. So right off the bat, Electro BAC, give me a quick rundown on what bike you're standing in front of.
So right here we got the EMX14. Basically it's an electric pit bike converted from a KTM 65. This one's running 14 kilowatts right now. You build these with the conversion from our website. It's really easy, take you just a weekend, bolt right on, and then you got yourself an e-pitter. So this particular model, with the gearing that comes out of the box, you can do 55 miles an hour with it. And range, we're gonna be anywhere from 10 to 20 miles, depending on what you're doing, how hard you're riding it, and that kind of thing. But we expect 15 plus out of it.
So I'm standing in front of a 72 volt Sur Ron. This is also running 14 kilowatts, so these two bikes are running the same wattage. I'm running a 72 volt 32 amp hour battery from Lightspeed and a BAC4000 ASI controller from E-Moto Bros. Custom off-road wheel set from Wicked Wheel Works. This is the first time I've got the off-road wheels on. That's enough talking. We're gonna go ahead, take these bikes head to head, hit the trails, do some hill climbs, do some straightaways, and see what the difference is between more of an electric mountain bike versus an electric pit bike. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
All right, Sur Ron EMX. What do you say?
Let's hit some trails, dude.
Let's do it.
So I'm thinking we'll just slow a little bit, find some hill climbs, see what you do, and then we'll try and find like a little straightaway where we can put these 14 kilowatts head to head.
Perfect.
Right on.
Let's do it. It feels so cool having dirt wheels on here. Feels like a totally different bike from the supermotos I usually have on. It's a 21 inch in the front, 18 in the back. 62 tooth sprocket. Both the bikes in front of me right now are the EMXs. This is just the most beautiful riding location ever. This is so cool. Just trails forever. Little hill climb. Dude, this is awesome.
Yeah,
Great riding out here.
dude. Some pretty fun little climbs right here.
Ooh, let's do it. All right, hill climb battle. Let's go! Yeah! Yeah, that's not too bad. Two 14 kilowatt beasts chilling next to each other. Oh! I don't have a rear brake right now, so. That's the line. I don't want to see you crossing it before we start, big guy. No cheating.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Taking the gold right here.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Every comment on YouTube is going to say you guys needed to switch sides because the EMX had the inside lane.
Pretty sick, dude. Taller. It has more power than I was thinking. It looks good.
I mean, it's 14 kilowatts.
It's very mountain bike feeling in comparison to the even the little pit bikes. It's really got like a mountain bikey type feel to it. But what I liked about it, I only rode it for 2 seconds, is that it feels really, really light.
Yes.
So I think that's got to be first takeaway. This thing is super light and flickable, so that makes it pretty dang cool.
All right, we're out. Yeah.
If we go in here, it gets pretty tricky.
How tricky?
Black diamond tricky. Otherwise, we can go down and just get dressed up.
The next time. Yeah, I don't have a rear brake, so I'm a little cautious going downhill, but boy, is off-roading fun. If you guys enjoy these off-road videos, please let me know down below because I would love to make more. So there you go, 14 kilowatt Sur Ron, 14 kilowatt EMX14 from Electro and Co. These bikes have pretty comparable power levels. The Sur Ron feels more like a mountain bike, EMX feels more like a pit bike. They're both amazing. If you're interested in learning more about the EMX and other products from Electro and Co, go check out their website down below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't